In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Calendly. Calendly is a powerful scheduling tool designed to make planning meetings and appointments effortless. Whether you're coordinating one-on-one sessions, managing group events, or handling team-wide scheduling, Calendly simplifies the process and keeps everything organized. If you're new to Calendly, or you're just looking to get the most out of its features, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And if you don't already have a Calendly account, you can sign up using the link provided in the description. Let's dive in. To get started with creating events in Calendly, the first thing you'll need to do is click on the Create button located on the Calendly dashboard. This is your starting point for setting up events. Depending on your needs, the Create button can be used to plan a one-on-one meeting, organize a group gathering, or even set up a round-robin session. Once you've clicked the button, the next step is to select the type of event you'd like to create. Calendly offers flexibility here, allowing you to tailor your meetings precisely to your preferences. Now let's talk about event types. Event types in Calendly are essentially templates for meetings you host frequently. By using event types, you can save time and effort because these templates will store your predefined preferences like meeting duration, location, and any specific instructions. Whether you're organizing quick check-ins or detailed strategy sessions, event types streamline the process so you don't have to start from scratch every time. Next up is availability. Calendly's availability tool helps you connect your existing calendars, such as Google Calendar or Outlook, directly to the platform. This integration ensures that your availability is always up to date, making scheduling easy and accurate. It also prevents overbooking or double booking, so you can rest assured that your calendar won't get cluttered with overlapping appointments. If you haven't connected your calendars yet, take a moment to do so. It's a game changer. Now let's take a look at managing contacts. Calendly's contacts feature allows you to keep track of the individuals you've scheduled meetings with. This is especially useful if you frequently interact with the same group of people or want to keep all their information easily accessible. It's a simple but effective way to streamline the scheduling process and stay organized. Another helpful tool is workflows. Workflows let you automate routine communications, such as sending reminders before a meeting or follow-up messages afterward. Setting up workflows not only saves you time, but also ensures that your attendees are always informed. Whether it's a quick confirmation email or a detailed post-meeting summary, workflows handle these tasks for you automatically, so you don't have to. Calendly also offers integrations and apps that allow you to connect it with other tools you use regularly. Whether it's a CRM system, a project management app, or even video conferencing platforms like Zoom. These integrations help you automate tasks, sync data, and streamline your workflow. Take a moment to explore the integration section and connect the apps that make sense for your scheduling needs. Moving on, let's talk about routing. The routing feature is particularly useful for businesses and teams. It allows you to direct website visitors to the appropriate person or team based on their specific needs. For example, a potential client can be routed to a sales representative, while a support inquiry is directed to the customer service team. This ensures that inquiries are handled promptly and by the right individual or group. Now, if you're looking to unlock even more functionality, it's worth considering one of Calendly's paid plans. Upgrading to a standard Teams or Enterprise plan gives you access to additional features such as unlimited event types and detailed analytics. These analytics provide valuable insights into how your organization handles scheduling, helping you optimize processes and identify trends. If you're managing a high volume of meetings or need to track scheduling performance, this feature is incredibly useful. For those managing larger teams, the Admin Center is an essential tool. It provides centralized control over settings and user management, ensuring consistency across the platform. This is particularly important for organizations where multiple team members use Calendly. From the Admin Center, you can easily adjust permissions, manage user roles, and maintain overall control. And finally, if you ever run into questions or challenges while using Calendly, the Help tab is there for you. With 24/7 support available, you can find guidance on any issue, big or small. Whether it's troubleshooting a technical problem or learning more about a specific feature, the Help tab ensures you're never stuck without assistance. So there you have it. Today we covered everything from creating events and managing availability to automating workflows and utilizing integrations. By following these steps, you'll have all the tools you need to make the most out of Calendly and simplify your scheduling process. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.